After the Go-Bagger is prepared for startup, perform a complete inspection of the machine to ensure it can be started safely. Ensure all members of the operating crew are wearing proper personal protective equipment. Announce that the machine will be started. Start the engine. Wait for the engine to warm up before operating the Go-Bagger. Adjust engine to full throttle. Start the sealer. Fill the hopper slowly to avoid plugging. If you are bagging wet, dense material like compost, dump smaller loads into the hopper when starting a new bagging project. Use the digital controller to fine-tune the bagging settings. After you make the adjustments, the controller will save your settings until you decide to change them. If you are bagging by weight, be sure to zero the scale before starting the bag. Be sure the bag is not touching the bag rails or roller bed. If the bag is touching the bag rails or roller bed, the weight measurements will not be accurate. To fill a bag, hold the bag between the rubber grip pads. Keep your hands clear of all moving parts, then simply press the foot pedal. To seal a bag, hold the bag between the sealer jaws and press the foot pedal control. When starting a new bagging project, you will need to fine-tune the fill settings to match your material. Start by pressing weight. These adjustment settings are the same whether you fill by weight or by time. To adjust a setting, scroll to that setting using the arrow pad, then press the OK button to select the setting. Use the arrow pad to adjust, then OK again to save your changes. Belt speed is the speed at which the hopper belt will run when the fill cycle begins. Jaw delay is the amount of time in which the jaws will continue to hold the bag after the hopper belt is stopped. With the manual fill settings, the jaws will grip the bag only while the operator is pressing the foot pedal. Once the operator releases the pedal, the hopper conveyor will stop and the jaws will release the bag. The manual setting is helpful for filling a small number of bags quickly without fine-tuning all of the settings. For sensitive materials, you may wish to remove the hopper agitator. To remove the agitator, begin by following the lockout/tagout procedures. Follow the instructions in your owner's manual to properly remove the agitator. When you're finished bagging, follow these shutdown procedures to help ensure safety and proper equipment condition. Check the hydraulic fluid temperature and filter pressure. If the pressure is 25 psi or higher, the filter should be replaced. Shut down the engine and remove the ignition key. Immediately begin a thorough cleanup and investigation. Thoroughly clean the Go-Bagger using a pressure washer or other appropriate means. Make sure to remove dust and debris from the battery compartment and engine compartment. Thank you for choosing the Go-Bagger 250. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer service department. You can also find out more information about Rotochopper online at rotochopper.com.